Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I got another unboxing video for you, and this time it is Birchbox. This is the gorgeous August design. Beautiful, beautiful box. So as always, if you're new to Birchbox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what items I received in this month's box, then I'll have a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. Birchbox is a monthly beauty subscription box. This is the UK version and it costs £12.95 a box, and that includes shipping. You can cancel any time, and inside contains 5 beauty products, all ranging from skincare, hair care, makeup and accessories like brushes and things like that as well. Now Birchbox has their own online store, so all products that you see in their monthly box you can go on to purchase on their website. When you subscribe to Birchbox, if you continue to subscribe for up to 6 months in a row, you then become a VIP, which is what I have become this month. And that means that I've received a free added extra, which is this gorgeous makeup case, and also there's a little card inside, and it just tells me that I'm now a VIP, and it means that as well as other added bonuses and discounts and things like that, which doesn't go into, I will now receive 15% off all purchases I make on their website. So yeah, so that's something to bear in mind there as well. I tend to subscribe to a Birchbox like now and again, just when a box takes my fancy, but I've been rolling it out because I know a lot of you want to see these videos. Plus, in all honesty, the freebie gifts are really great, sometimes better than the actual box. If you sign up to Birchbox yourself, you then get given a refer a friend code, so you can give that out on to anyone, your friends, you can put it on Facebook, anything like that. If anyone uses your code to take out a subscription, whether it's just a one-off box and they cancel, or a long-term subscription, it doesn't matter. If someone uses your code, that will entitle them to £5 off their box, but also you get given £5 off a shop on the Birchbox shop, plus you get given a free beauty item in the next month's box. Hopefully I'm making sense here. So thanks to one of you lovely lot that used my refer a friend code last month, I was given a palette this month. I will get onto the box, I promise. I'm just going through these at the moment. So I've been given this palette, and it's by the Beauty Crop, and it's Draw Gazing palette. Really pretty purpley toned palette there. So thank you, whoever used my code. So yeah, if you sign up, make sure you share your code, because it only takes one person for you to get an added freebie in your next month's box. So back to this box then. Some months are better than others. Some months you're going to get tiny little samples. Now Birchbox are renowned for doing that. It's not to say it's anything bad against that, but when you compare it to other subscription boxes that you have slightly bigger products inside their box for not much difference in price overall, then you can't help but compare. But Birchbox is thinking around this, that they're offering you a stunning box, a keepsake box, but also a chance to try products. So if you like the products, then you can go onto their website, have a bit of a discount and purchase their fuller size items. So I can see that, I can see that. If Birchbox was the only subscription box out there underneath the £15 a month bracket, then yeah, I think, yeah, it's great, but you can't help but compare to others. But yeah, I think sometimes Birchbox do put those sneaky little tiny samples in there, which I don't like. But anyway, enough of me blabbing on. Let's see what's inside this box. Now there are variations, so you might watch another video or you might receive the box yourself and you might have something completely different. But there's some items in here that everyone will get, and I'll tell you about it as we go along. So the theme for this month is summer loving. So we've got a little leaflet here. It tells you all about the products inside this month's box, plus it tells you a bit of a sneak peek for next month, so I'll show you that in a minute. But knew that would happen. There. I'm not sure how much you'd be able to see. I'll just put that down to the side of me. So what's it say here then? So for the September sneak peek, we have got Pick Your Benefit Lip and Cheek Tint. You can either opt for a rosy tint, which is a poppy pink colour, or a love tint, which is a fiery red shade. It doesn't say what size you're going to get, but you do get to choose what shade you want. So if you do sign up, you will receive an email and you will get the chance to choose what shade. If you don't choose, then they'll just send you a random one. So out of 5 products this month, we have got 3 products that are actually full price. No, not price, full size. Right, I'll tell you about them as we go along. So the first item, and we have got a Love, Beauty and Planet, and this is a shower gel, and this is coconut oil and ylang ylang. So it looks like there. I've had this before. Not sure if it's in a Birchbox, but I've definitely had it before, and it's quite nice from what I remember. Yeah, it's lovely. Lovely. Not a strong smell, just a nice, fresh, sort of light smell. Now that's nice. So what size is this? This is 100 mils, and you can actually buy it at this size. So this is one of the full size items, and it would cost you £2.50. Enriched with vitamin, virgin coconut oil and refreshing ylang ylang flower, your skin is left feeling renewed and recharged while your senses are treated to a burst of delicate fragrance that lingers all day. So there's that. Next I got a Balance Me, and this is a Hyaluronic Plumping Mist, 99% natural, and what size are we? 5 mils. Ooh, that's what it looks like there. So it's just a spray. Now, I've tried this before. I have tried this before, and it just scared the heck out of me. It comes out with such a blast that it is really frightening. But I just sprayed it then and it didn't come out as like dramatic, but then it's different, isn't it, spraying it into the ear than on your face. I'm not going to do it on my face now because I've got a full face of makeup, but yeah, I did try it before, and I vowed never to try it again because it was just too full on my face. So this is a sample size, and it says this super fine mist blends hydrating and plumping hyaluronic acid with soothing chamomile water in a tropical potion that improves skin with every spritz. Whether you use it to revive your makeup in the afternoon or calm your complexion after too much sun, the instant shot of hydration will leave you looking brighter and healthier. I think I tried it when I had a lot of makeup on my face, but I use hyaluronic acid every single day, and it's part 2 of my skincare regime. So I'll give it a go. I'll give it a go again. I can't remember what I did with the last one. It was a long while now, but yeah. Let me know if you've tried it, and let me know if it has blasted your face as well. Next, I got a Polar Northern Lights Soothing Cream, and this is 25 mils. I've had this before in beauty boxes. Not sure which one, but it is lovely. This range is lovely, really, really lovely. I've had a nighttime cream, and yeah, this Northern Light Soothing Cream is just so nice, really nice. So I'm really chuffed to have that again. So this is a sample, but it's a good size sample. It's 25 ml, so it's not too bad there. And it says, rich in Siberian olive and 100% natural salicylic acid, this hard-working cream is all you need to revive and refresh your skin. Its unique concentration of ingredients improves texture, target fine lines, and restores radiance while protecting your complexion from urban pollution. Massage and to cleanse skin every morning. So is that there? Next we got the product that we actually chose what flavour, not flavour, smell, scent that we wanted in this box, and it's Anatomicals, and it's a body scrub, and I went for a strawberry one. I can't remember what the other one is now, but I'm sure it'll tell me in the leaflet. So it says the Great British Flake Off, and this is 50 mils. I've tried this before and it is really nice, really, really lovely. And I'm not sure if I've tried actual strawberry before, but I love strawberry smells, so I thought I'd give that a go. Does it say any others here? No. I think it could be like a mango or an orange maybe, but anyway, I got a strawberry, and this is a full size, and you can buy this for £1.50. And it says, effective yet gentle, the formula contains sweet almond oil and glycerine to deeply hydrate and smooth, plus apricot seed powder to buff and exfoliate. The result, skin that's baby soft and unbelievably silky. So there's that. And then lastly, we got a Model Co, and this is Maid Glow. See there? My initial thoughts are, I don't like it. I don't like any of the mermaid type blushes that you can get. I just don't like it. I just don't want to put blue and gold and pinks and purples all over my face. It's pretty, it is pretty, but the only colours that are really coming out are the gold and blue. I'm not really sure if you'll see. Just a little bit there. These type of blushes or highlighters are supposed to sort of give you a very subtle sort of look. You won't be having stripes going up your face in these shades. They all blend beautifully together. But for me personally, I'm not really that keen on sort of pearl essence type of highlighters and blushes. But unfortunately, that's not for me. But anyway, this is full size and you can buy this for £10. The multicoloured hues can be swirled together, creating the perfect ethereal glow in seconds. Using a fluffy brush over all the colours, buff over your cheekbones and onto your high points of your face. So yeah, so not for me. So I'll see if my daughter wants that. My 13-year-old daughter, she might like it. So these are all the items in this month's Birchbox. There's 3 full-size products and it comes to around £13. The other 2 are samples, but not bad sample sizes. We've got the spray here, the Hyaluronic facial spray, and we've got the Polar, the soothing cream. So the 3 full-size items are this shower gel, you've got a body scrub, and then you've got this highlighter as well. So the 3 items I'm drawn to the most is the shower gel, the body scrub and the face cream. These two here, the Hyaluronic face pump and the Model Co highlighter, not really for me really. I am going to give this spray another go, see what it's like, and you never know, it might work just fine this time, you don't know. Overall, for £12.95, I think it's a decent box, it's okay. What has excited me the most actually is the actual freebies, the palette, and then last month I think I had was the dewy stick, which is gorgeous, which is like about 20 odd pound. Absolutely love that dewy stick, and that was another freebie. I think the freebies are outweighing the actual products for this box, so for now I am going to keep subscribing to Birchbox and see how it goes. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Are you the same with me, where the sizes are okay and the products are okay as well, with some nice ones, or do you have different sort of opinion? We are all different, and I'd love to know what you think as well, so please comment down below. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots of videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.